Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys have been on this channel and following for some time, then you know this is my 2021 Tacoma SR5 off-road package in Army Green. Unfortunately, it is a lease, so the time to return it is coming up soon, and you'll see what my new car is in 3, 2, 1. And this is my new to me 1997 GX100. I am super excited to share this with you. This is going to be an interesting project. I already have some plans for it. This needs a new radio. The factory unit is very old and doesn't work as well, and it still thinks it's Japan. But yeah, super excited to share this car with you guys. So quick, it's silver, already has what appears to be like a Vertex body kit on it, so front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper. Already has some work wheels on it. These are the T7Rs, but the fitment is trash, so if this is the fender line, they don't even come out close. So that's going to need a change. Big pluses, if you can see right up front there with that giant intercooler, this does have a 1JZ VVTi swap in there, and it is a true manual. So you can see right there, right in here, my shift knob, my Bucky's cover is already there. Has an aftermarket steering wheel, and it also has this gigantic exhaust. But yeah, you can see it's a Series 2. There is this little bar in the middle, but there is some bumper sag, which is one of my problems that I gotta fix with this. And it has this super OG grandpa spec interior. So this is a GX. The JZXs come with a black interior, and also these bits here, the interior bits, should be carbon fiber, but this being a GX, these are wood, minus this when it was swapped out. But yeah, super duper clean car. Does have the normal crack on the dashboard that a lot of the GX and JZXs come with. No oscillating vents because this is a GX, not a JZX. Super cool grandpa spec interior. Everything is actually super plush. There are cup holders here. Unfortunately, they don't fit my Yeti, so might have to have a solution for that. Maybe a 3D print solution. Boost gauge right here in the middle, and then this is your oil temperature, and then your regular thermostat is right there on the right. One thing I noticed when I got this car is that the display here is exactly like it was on my one of my first cars, which was a Lexus ES300. The display from the Speedo to the TAC, exactly the same. I'm gonna start it up for you guys real quick. See, that looks exactly the same. So if you guys hear that chatter, that means that this has a twin disc, which is very unique. I've never driven a manual car on the street with a twin disc before, so having to add extra throttle in there is what the car sounds like. Hopefully you can hear some of that flutter. But yeah, super cool car. It also has folding mirrors. You can see with the retract button right there. But I'm super duper excited. This is a very fun car to drive around, and with that turbo flutter, a little bit sketchy at times too, because it makes you want to do a little more. Here's the up top, up front, so you don't get a light on your mirror, but you still get a little mirror. Regular lights here. I don't know if these work or not. Maybe I have to open the door. Oh, nope, that doesn't work. We'll have to figure that out. Larger mirror on the other side that does come with a light. And that's basically it. Back end looks super cool. Everything is super plush. I don't have any of the driver manuals or anything, but I have a flare and a microfiber. And I guess next thing is to pop the hood for you guys. Here's the front. Pull it up a little bit. Feel. And this does have shock struts. Has 8KS coilovers in the front. You can see by that purple HKS plate. Battery tie down. HKS ready couplers. But this is super cool. Throttle body. Awesome flutter. As you can see, 1JZ with the VVTi swap. And then the last thing I'll show you, one of the big differences about the GX100, if you'll look in the rear, hopefully the camera will catch it. But if you look underneath the right-hand side, apologies for rattle, but if you look on the right-hand side, there's no diff bushing, and that's normal. The GX does not come with a diff bushing on the right, or the GX does not come with 2 diff bushings, and the JZX do with 1 on each side. Maybe I can get on a lift and show you guys in another video, but other than that, super duper excited to share this car with you guys and see what's coming up in the future. As always, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.